This is a review of this classic pilot carry case. Years ago you would see pilots walking around with these at airports. That's before the days of having everything on the iPad, where all the maps you now need is on this little device. So the need for having these cases have somewhat gone away. Or if you do see them, they usually have wheels on them, and that means the pilot's carrying all kinds of additional things. This is the traditional one that you would just carry by hand. It's just a beautiful piece of nostalgia as far as I'm concerned, but it also sets you apart as a professional. If you look on the inside, it has these various storage compartments where you can put some of your paperwork. In my case, I have my Stratus going in there. I have two sets of headphones that easily fit in there, like this. And then my iPad with various documents go right in here. And I have some additional documents I carry over there. And what I found years ago, I had to do a checkout at a local airport to rent some of the aeroplanes. And I arrived with this, and the owner of the facility was there. He kind of took, gave me a funny look, and I didn't pay much attention to it. And he told me afterwards, he said, you came across as a professional. He says, you'd be amazed how many people arrive for a checkout who don't even have their own set of headphones. He says, and that pilot case you carried with everything in that, I mean, it just set you apart. So if you want to look like a professional and enjoy the classic look of this old pilot case, this is the one to get.